Joshua, crawl to Lily. Go see Lily.
You want his little basketball? Will help with the towel. The towel here? You want to make it like this?
Lillian, back up and see if he'll crawl to you. Go see Lily. Go see Lily. Go get it. Go see Lily. Oh, he's not in. Joshua, why won't you crawl?
I don't know when we're going to do the eggs.
When Melissa gets back.
We don't have a bowl yet.
Oh.
What's in my thing?
Oh.
I cannot have bowls.
I thought they were for us to color.
Trash can, please.
Joshua. Come on, come get it. Come get it.
Okay,
Come on.
get you one. Your mommy's bringing you
Come get it.
Sonic though, remember? Don't get too much.
Come get it.
Just a little.
Come on. Come on. Come get it. Come here. Come get it.
When Joshua gets bigger, he can play with us on our swing set when he gets bigger.
Yeah. Come on, Joshua.
We will.
He sure can.
But we only have 2 swings. We only have...
Well, y'all can share. Y'all know how to share.
Yeah, because we'll have to take turns.
That's right.
We'll only have to count at 10, then get off. That's what I do. Because then the one